So after a long time on College Days 101, we have something to review. We have got another book to review. I believe it's almost 2 or 3 years that we haven't reviewed any book. So today I'll be reviewing this book which I ordered online, and the best part is that I got it for free. Yes, I got it for free. You must ask, how is that possible? That was possible because I ordered this book on mypustak.com, which is a website that sells used or second-hand books. So there's a catch. You won't get the free books that are listed on this website completely for free, but you will have to pay for the shipping and packaging charges. And for this book I had to pay 165 rupees. So let's just take this book out. Okay, now the book is out, so I'll take the packaging material away. So this is the book, Civil Engineering Drawing and Design. This is the second edition by D N Ghose. Okay, this has all the RCC drawings and the civil engineering drawings and detailed drawings. So this is how it looks, and at the back they have given their QR code. I don't know what it is, if it might be for their reference. So the condition is good. Okay, this is just like an unused book. This has not been used that much. Although it was folded here when I had originally opened it and unboxed it. So that video, or that short video, is actually in the link is given in the description. You can check it out. So I think it might have happened in the transportation. So let's open the book, and this is how it looks. And to show you, this is the second edition, which was just originally printed in 2010, and there are two reprints, 2011 and 12. So this is the 2012 one. Okay, more than 10 years old. So here are the contents of this book. Just like any other civil engineering design and drawing or RCC detailing book, this also has the initial chapters all are same, like the symbols, lettering, convention and dimensioning. Okay, it has brickwork, about the wooden work. Okay, it has the details of doors and windows, roof trusses, timber, both timber and steel. Then the detailed drawing of foundation, flooring, rafting, staircase, chachas, grills, gates, and reinforcements in structures. Sanitary fittings are about the toilet and bathroom fittings. Then they have shown the design of buildings. They have shown how you have to plan and how you can design the building. That all those things are there. Then drains and sewers, septic tanks and latrines, this is also there. Still in many of the villages there's no drainage, so you will have to rely on the design of septic tank and latrines. Then there is pipe fittings, how to join the pipes, how to fit them, or how to take the connection from the main line to the home, and main sewer line to the home. Those all things are here. Swimming pools and water tanks, it's about all those things. Okay. Let me show you how this book looks. So as you can see, symbols and conventions. So here they have shown these are all the hatchings you can show for concrete, brick, timber, or any different kind of materials. So I am sure this is what you learn in your college in engineering. So we also learn the same. All the electrical fitting, all these are there. So this is okay. And let me tell you my opinion about this book little bit later. I'm just showing you. So the lettering styles and all are there. So now let me tell you what I think about this book. तो भाई ऐसा है कि let me show you. So this book was this is the second edition, right? So the second edition was authored, or it was written in 1987. उसके बाद they have just reprinted it 98, 2000, 2005, 2007, whatever. Then they came with the second edition, second published, and again they have just, this is a revised edition 2010. Okay, let me show you what it is and why I'm saying like this. So here if you see the lettering styles and all these things, these are outdated, and you okay, just for your information what kind of lettering styles are there, this is okay, but I don't think it's needed now, because you're not anymore drawing by your hand. Every people, all the engineers nowadays use AutoCAD or any other CAD softwares like Revit. Okay, no one does it by hand, no one writes it by hand, so all these are not needed. Isometric projections and all, yes. So this is okay, because you need to get the concept, but these are all the drawings of mechanical parts. Okay, the front elevation or the front view, plan view, all are there, that is okay. But this is more relevant, staircase and all. Okay, so here they have given some of the plans. Here are some of the problems where you have to draw the elevation. This is okay, I have no problem with this. So till here that is fine. Okay, they've shown you how you can show different kind of projections, how the plan works, how the drawing of elevation works. But after this, let me show you the problem is this. Okay, this perspective projections, 1.2 point projections are also okay, because sometimes you might have to draw by hand, so you should know the concept. That is the construction of arches. This is also okay for some of the architectural works in your project. If you have given the arches, or if your architect has given the arches, you might need this. Then brickwork and bonds in the brickworks, these are also still relevant. These are okay, I have no problem with these. Okay, so next, wooden floors and partitions. So these are also fine, not a problem. So because sometimes you might have to construct wooden floorings, or in villages you might have to give this wooden beams, rafters and all, because still somewhere people use it, or architects might use it, and you have to construct it. So you should know all these about the doors, windows. Okay, till here this is okay, this is fine. And even these things here, they have shown you how to calculate the force in the trusses, the nature of force, all this which you learn in structural analysis. This is okay, not a problem. But let me show you where the problem is. So if you see these drawings, these are not CAD drawings. Actually these are hand drawn drawings. This was, and I will tell you that these are the drawings which are drawn before CAD came to India, and they are still using these drawings. Let me show you where the problem is, because let me open the drawing of the staircase. Okay, it's right here. So here the problem starts. If you see this drawing, you will understand various things. Okay, this is landing, this is the floor height, this is the first floor level, ground floor level and all. But can you see this? Can you see this part? Can you read it, what it is? I am sure you are not able to read it or understand it, what it is. So I wanted to find out the thickness of, what's the thickness of this slab. So this is not clear, and if you see this, This is also not very clear, but I'm sure it's 250 mm. ठीक है. And again here these are given in a very haphazard way. ठीक है. There is concrete hatching, concrete वाला ये जो दिखाया है उन्होंने, but the writing and all here it's not very clear and understandable. ठीक है. In all the other drawings it is okay, but in some of these drawings it really what to say, it really frustrates, it makes you frustrated. Okay, then let me show you the good part also about this book. So here this chapter is really very good. It's about the design of building. So here they have shown you how you have to design the building, what should be the plinth area, ventilation, how you should give the ventilation, how you should design the staircase. So typical areas, floor area of rooms. Okay, if you want to know what should be the bedroom, typically what should be the area of bedroom, based on this area you can give the dimensions of the room, length and breadth. You can decide. Plinth height, general plinth height, what it is generally, what's the range. So these things will help you when you yourself start designing the architectural plans of the building. And here they have given the problem also. They have given the plot dimension. Okay, 10 by land area should be kept open, specifically 10 by 4 का कुछ ये है plot है. You have to design it, you have to give so many rooms, the client requirement is like this. Let's see, these are the requirements. It should consist this and this. You need to draw cross section of the building, structural details, elevation, then all those things. So it's like what the client has given you, the client requirement. तो यहाँ पे जो है सब ड्राइंग्स वगैरह दिए गए हैं. दिस इज़ ओके, बट आई बिलीव दिस विल बी फॉर लोड बेयरिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो भी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर दैट दे हैव गिवन इज लोड बेयरिंग. इफ़ यू कैन सी द एलिवेशन, इट इज जस्ट the ground floor. Here also it's just the ground floor, and these are load bearing. These are very thick walls, and these are the load bearing walls. So what they have not given is how to design the RCC beam, or how to decide the size of the RCC beams and columns based on the thumb rules. They have not given those thumb rules. तो ये सब जो है, ये सब उस बहुत पहले पुराने ज़माने में in the 60s, 70s or 80s, these kinds of drawings and these kind of calculations were being used. So now at least I was expecting them to give in the second edition the latest जो भी है, the RCC guidelines, how to design the beams, columns and all based on the IS code of 2016. Okay. Again, if you see here, this is just the ground floor and first floor drawing. They have given only the architectural drawing. Placement of beams and columns is not given. The most important point is, okay, you should know how and where you should place beams and columns within the walls here, and at which corner you should place, what should be the span, how you should calculate the deflection and all. So see, this is like this. And if you also see the elevation of the building, do you think this looks like any modern building that is being constructed now in 2024 or 2025? It's not, because this is very old. This ये सब तो these are 80s या 70s का स्टाइल है. This is your fathers, जब आपके फादर या पिताजी के ज़माने का, वो ज़माने का स्टाइल है. ठीक है. So this is not relevant anymore. Many of the things in this book are not relevant. So this septic tank, design of latrines and all, this is very relevant. Okay, this will be same today also. So many of the concepts are good, but many are not good, many are outdated also. As you can see, they have given these designs of parabolic section. Okay, this is for the hydraulic structures. ये सब गटर के लिए है. गटर जो होते हैं which are called rain water drainage systems. ठीक है. So all those sections of pipes and all are given. Drainage का सारा knowledge आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, which you learn in your college. And these joints are given, joint points. It would be more relevant if they had given about PVC pipes. ये जो है, these are all GI pipes. ये भी 80s के ज़माने के हैं. ये सब designs, these all designs are very old, and these are not really used today. These are not mainstream. These have become extinct, if I may say. ठीक है, sewer appendices. This is okay. And here they have given detailed drawings. Let me show you. These drawings are big. Let me be careful. So here they have given it like this. इस तरह के यहाँ पे आपको बस, oops, I tore it. Okay. इस तरह के आपको, तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. पेजेस की क्वालिटी उतनी खास नहीं है, काम चलाओ है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदी भी नहीं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रेड भी नहीं है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ गुड. रीइंफोर्समेंट डिटेल्स एंड ऑल दे हैव गिवन फॉर ओवरहेड टैंक, और ये जो वेल्स हो गया, या दीज ऑल ड्रेनेज स्ट्रक्चर्स. ठीक है. दे हैव ऑल इन ऑल कवर्ड all majority of the structures which a civil engineer will design during his lifetime, including hydraulic structures. Here these are the dams, or the bridges are also given, and many other type of structures are given. अब इसके बाद ये जो स्टील स्ट्रक्चर्स के जो बोल्टिंग प्लेट्स एंड detailing of those are also given. Rivets, ठीक है, rivets and bolting, but welding is not given in this. ठीक है. So that is the reason why I am telling you कि this is not relevant, it's not up to date, it's still old, and it needs to be updated. There are many things that this book has that are not being used in today's world, and there are many things which have been developed and which have come now, like the precast structures हो गए, या कोई और pre-stressed structures, pre-stressed beams, post-tensioning, pre-tensioning beams, columns, or the types of slabs, one-way slab, two-way slab. जो RCC के जो भी basic components होते हैं, जो that are being used in today's world, that are latest, that are very trendy, that are in trend, that are in demand, those things are not given. ठीक है. This was my review of this book, and I would like to know in the comment section what books you use for RCC drawing and detailing, or for planning your architectural plan. ठीक है. And if you have any other book suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. So until next time, bye bye.